REN THANG Co. Limited is a professional machinery manufacturer of making electronic components lead cutter, former, PCB assembly CNC machining. Component lead cutter, lead forming machine, PCB assembly, turnkey solution, production line, SMT, SMD machines, CNC machining metal workshop. RT90 motorized taped and loose axial lead forming machine with bowl feeder can adjust quickly and simply. Apply to both components package. SMT 402 semi-automatic SMT pick and place machine with dispenser is great for R&D, pilot run, laboratory and small volume production. CF180 taped radial lead cutter and feeder is designed for robotic arm, cut and insert eye production line. It fulfills no waste SMT dip line. RF101F axial lead forming machine forms and kinks leads into vertical, long U-shape with kinks. Vertical stand shape. Good for both package.